Hi, this is Naya Lee with Royal Crafting, and I'm going to show you how I made this freestanding jewelry stand using my Glowforge. First, I designed it, and then I put the SVG into the Glowforge platform. I then cut using 1/8 inch birch wood. And after I cut it, I did a dry fit. I wanted to make sure everything lined up really well and then it would work. So I layered the bottom and then I had the top of it. And so it looks like it fits just fine. Now I need to add my wood glue. So I went ahead and used the Gorilla Glue. It's the Gorilla Wood Glue and it works just fine. So what I did was I applied wood glue to adhere the bottom part, and then I put everything on top so it would work all together. And so after I was able to apply the glue, I then took it outside, or you can use a well ventilated area, and I used spray paint because I wanted it to be black. So I did not mask my wood during this time, only because I knew I was going to spray paint over it a dark color, and so it would be okay. Now I used an oil-based Sharpie marker in order to paint the letters so I can glue them on the jewelry stand. So for the final touches, I went ahead and I glued on the name so it can fit on the jewelry stand holder. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Naya Lee.